Well, not the most comfortable of weekends ahead.
Not really with teens, but warmer than now, but cooler than tomorrow and Thursday. It's that up and down yo-yo pattern on the way of continuing here as we've had for a while now. And again, one of those surface high pressures giving us the cold air, forcing the jet stream down to our south, therefore the active storm track. So we don't have a lot in the way of any moisture to speak of. Again, under the center of the high, typically dry, and that it is. And fairly light wind as well. We'll see more of a west wind tomorrow. That's going to help scour out some of this dense Arctic air. It's cold though right now. Again, many of us dropping sub-zero tonight, maybe around 5 to an average of 5 to 10 below zero. However, we're looking at improvement quickly arriving late in the night because the coldest part of the night will technically be this evening, and then slowly rising temperatures thanks to a warm front moving through. And despite the cloudy skies again for tomorrow, just like yesterday, at least we're going to be near that 30-degree mark, and for Friday as well. But we do have a couple of disturbances on the way, one of which Thursday afternoon. Again, tomorrow afternoon, some snow showers a possibility, breezy at times, especially across the west. And then for Friday, another chance for some periods of light snow or flurries. And then another round for Friday night into Saturday. Look for a lot of cloud cover here. Next few days, limited sunshine. We'll go through a couple of these different disturbances one at a time here. Again, we've got the one Thursday night into Friday, and then this is the second one. Might be a little bit stronger for Friday night into Saturday morning. Again, we're looking at chances for snow. I'm thinking about 1 to 2 inches on average, all but northern North Dakota. And we bring in that cold air again. Highs are only going to be in the low to mid-teens for both Saturday and Sunday. Now, regarding just the 2-inch or more snow potential, I think most of us will be under 2 inches, but we do have a chance here, a slight classification, most of western and central North Dakota, but Williston kind of honing in on at least a moderate chance of touching on that 2-inch mark, but I think most of us will probably be in that 1 to 2 inch category. Again, a diagonal couple systems on the way, one of which Thursday, as mentioned, into early Friday, and then Friday afternoon into Saturday. We add it all up here between the two systems. The snow forecast overall more toward Montana, pockets of 4 inches around Glasgow, Williston 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches eastern Montana into west central, southwest North Dakota. And the idea here is we're going to have a lot less thanks to high pressure nosing back into northern North Dakota. So might only have flurries. Bismarck might have around an inch and maybe a couple of inches again farther toward the west. We'll fine tune that. But the temperature trend down the road getting into mid-December, guess what? It's more of the same. We're teetering on the edge here of these air masses. It's a battle zone going on back and forth between milder air and colder air. North Dakota caught right in the middle, so it could go either way, but it could also mean an uptick in precipitation potential as Alberta Clippers like to ride those fine lines between the warmer air and the colder air, meaning we've got a higher probability for moisture on the increase. Again, that's the 6 to 10-day outlook. Could become more stormy, but look at these temps. They're all over the place here. 30s next couple days, teens for the weekend. Best chance for snow Friday and Saturday.
But back up next week. I like that.
Yes, that's right.